Hello everyone, welcome back to my video, and this video is the last assignment, which is the 6th assignment from speaking 1. And today I'm gonna share the tutorial how to make noodles, or how I enjoy noodles. In this case I choose 2 packs of noodles, the spicy one, 2 eggs, and the mustard greens that I already sliced into pieces that I want to. The next step is I'm going to prepare the medium pot and fill it with the water. You can use 2 or 3 cups of water is enough, and then put it into the stove and place the mustard greens into the pot and then covers and boil it together. You have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes. When the water is hot enough, place the noodles into the pot, and don't forget to put the eggs together with it, and then covers, and you have to wait for another 1 or 2 minutes. When it's done, strain the noodles and add the pre-made seasonings that I already have in the noodles and mix it together, and the noodles is ready to eat. That's all for me. Thank you and have a nice day.
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone.